All right, so in this is Pepper USDT. So one of the treasury rules, this pair has been selling. So one of my thoughts, what I want to share today is simple. I want to share today is simple. So this is a situation where the pair has been selling. Okay. So what do we have here? So this pair. So this was the last point where the buyers bought heavily, right? So now we noticed that this was the last point the buyers. So notice that this is where the buyers bought the last time, and price traded. This was a support that was turned bearish, okay? And later, when the price came to retest it, this is on the daily now. Now, price violated this a little. Okay, so this is a breaker here, the bullish candle, the swing high that led to the swing low. So price violated it, breaking market structure, okay? Now, but quickly rejected it. So how do we know when to buy? Because price has already violated this and broken structure. Now, all we need to wait for on the same time frame, we wait for a W formation. Okay, a W formation. So when this price is coming down here, remember that when price is coming down, it normally goes to 23%. So let's confirm whether this is 23%. So okay, basically, yeah, just a little bit below 23%. So now this is a breaker. So the price came in here and then reached exactly here. And then on that 20%, it gave me the bounce that I was looking for, one initial high. Okay, and now on that second high, we have this bullish candle, this initial bounce, and then but then this one violated this, giving us a higher high. So that tells us that the price is going to reverse. Remember, this is on the daily time frame. After breaking a particular resistance, we have that's impulse, then we have breaker, that's initial impulse, then a higher high. So once this higher high forms, we now know that this market is going to reverse back into the range. So it has reversed back into the range. So one thing I want to point out is that when you see the price rejects heavily from a zone, like here, its price breaks touchable, it rejected heavily. Now, if the price gives you another W formation again, after this impulse, and they have another price that goes far ahead of it, have high and have higher high. Now, that means the price has reversed. So there's we are now in bullish mode. And if we're in bullish mode, if I take this, 0.414 was easily hit. Yeah, 1.414 was easily hit. Okay, so if we're in bullish mode, then price has already rejected here. So now that we're in bullish mode, if we see here, you see that this one is another place that this was a bullish. This was a support here that was flipped into a resistance. So of course, when price comes for the first time, it's going to reject it. Okay, so that's the so now. So this price came in here, and rejected it. Two, rejected it again for the second time. Now, because we know we are in a bullish mode, So this is double rejection for resistance. So that means the more rejection, it is getting weaker and weaker. So remember we are on the premise that we are on a bullish mode. Okay. So we now look for another W, just like here again. As the price came in down here, rejected, came in down. So we have this one again, impulse, and then we have this. So this candle closed above this. So as high, higher high. See that? Once you have, so these are what many people are looking at. So once movement, a quick movement. So we break this one. So once we have this, that means that's continuation. So we continue upwards. Okay. So now I want to still point out something again. Now remember that price. This was the last swing to the lowest low. Again, this is a very important resistance. So if this is the last swing to the lowest low, and the price right now, the price has broken it already. So all we need now is what to retest it. Look at here. Look at here. Where's the swing to the lowest low? This was the last swing to the lowest low. Microstructure. And price moved above it. Breaking structure to the upside. So now, after it rejected and give us a W. And then we got. Now, look at this, the bigger W. The bigger W is this one. The bigger W is from here to here. From here to here is 1. Okay. Now, the price rejected heavily from here. Can you see that now we have blown off this? So now here is our new neckline. This is our new neckline. This. So this is our neckline now. You know why it's wrong? Because initially price flipped it down. Because initially holding price up and it's flipped it down, making it a bearish breaker. So now the bearish breaker has done its job. 1, 2. Now if price has violated this, it's no longer a bearish breaker. Right now price has violated, so that means bullish, giving us another macro double. Okay, so what we now wait for is for, now that it has broken, we want price to come here and then give us some consolidation here, and then we ride this thing up again. See that? So that's what we're waiting for. So we want this to come down, because now this is really fresh. This is a bearish other block. Push down price 1, 2, and then now it turned it into a now having a bullish order. So we want price to come and bounce around this area. Then we take this thing up again. We buy. If we buy, all these liquidities are going to be cleared. So this is our first TP, second TP, third TP. All these zones are going to be cleared. Right, so that is where we are now in Pepe.